Futures trading with zero taker fees? Yes, you heard that correct, you guys. Plus, you can actually trade with some of the lowest maker fees in the entire market. So let's go ahead and dive right into the trading interface. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. The video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, you guys, so obviously you can see right here, we got none other than MEXC. You heard that correct. And technically, we got some important things that we need to mention, especially whenever it comes to the futures trading, right? As we've already briefly mentioned during the intro. So listen, you guys, whenever it comes to MEXC, they literally have the largest altcoin inventory. All right, so MEXC Global, it actually supports literally over 2,700 trading pairs on the spot section. And I need you guys to understand that, okay? Not only that, you guys can see right here, number one, liquidity globally, okay? So obviously, we're talking about high liquidity, all right, you guys? So technically, they are a top 10 exchange, especially on coin market cap, with a daily trading volume reaching several $billion, you guys. That is very impressive, all right? And something else I would like to mention, you guys, especially whenever it comes to MEXC, you guys can see right here, obviously we got some important details, especially like secure asset storage. But speaking of assets, you guys need to understand that they offer rapid project listings, all right? So technically they are known for their speed in listing new projects, often within 24 hours of project release. And I have to admit, this is 100% true, okay? The reason I'm saying this is because there's a lot of projects that listed onto MEXC that eventually got onto, say, Coinbase, Binance, and blew up like crazy. So technically, MEXC is definitely the place to get into for a lot of these new tokens, right? These new coins, all right? Not only that, but I also want you guys to understand that MEXC definitely offers many different type of crypto trading products, okay? Not only that, we're talking about spot trade, we're talking about leverage ETFs, we're talking about futures coverage, and we're talking about literally over 500 future pairs, all right? Now, if we kind of take a look here, you guys will see we got MEXC and Crypto Lab. There's a nice little bonus here, right? 20% bonus. This is something that's happening right now, and it's literally only happening, say, for a limited amount of time. You guys can see right here, we have the event. It's about to start, which is actually really good. They even have exclusive new user bonus, so sign up bonus and deposit bonus up to 500 USDT. And literally when you sign up, you're going to be able to get 10 USDT just by signing up. You guys will see right here, they do have deposit bonus as mentioned. Look at that. Okay. So 100 all the way up to 2,500. That's actually really good, right? So these are futures bonuses, okay? And I want you guys to understand that, okay? So literally a big opportunity, especially whenever it comes to just, just joining, okay, and depositing, okay? But I want you guys to understand for MEXC, we're talking about global reach, all right, you guys? So it's actually really good. You actually see right up here, we got the spot as stated, we got futures as well. So if we actually take a look here, we can dive down into futures, and they have a lot. They've got like copy trading as well. But if we just kind of click here, you guys will see exactly how the platform looks like, right? So it's actually a really professional, in my opinion. Let's see here. So you guys can see that, right? So you're going to be able to do what is known as isolated. They got like a 20x as well. But just back to stating, you guys need to understand they have a global reach, right? And it's KYC free, okay? So obviously it serves over 15 million users in literally over 200 plus countries and regions, and it supports more than 10 languages. And they have technically been achieving, or they have achieved, true global coverage, at least in my opinion. Now, most countries, the users, they can actually use their products without KYC. Very important you guys understand that. You guys can see here, obviously, we got perfect example of futures trading, right? But you guys, they have the lowest trading fees. So at this moment, MEXC's futures trading fees are the lowest among all centralized exchanges. So we're talking about a 0% taker fee, and we're talking about a 0.02 maker fee. All right, so they literally have hot trading pairs, which get 0% spot fee rate as well. So I want you guys to understand, if you sign up, okay, you're going to be able to get an additional discount by paying fees with the platform's native token, also known as MEXC. All right. And you guys can actually see, once again, if you go back here, we got Crypto Labs, right? And you guys can see right here a whole bunch of important details. All right. If you guys go through this little process, you can see exactly how this works. Well, I want you guys to understand MX. I mean, you guys, it just makes sense to hold it, right? To buy and hold it. And you guys can see right here, they have many different types of cryptos you're going to be able to choose from, especially whenever it comes to futures, right? So I'm just kind of curious if we could actually type in, say, MX. I'm kind of curious if they actually have it here, but yeah. So anyways, dive down into the platform, okay? MEXC, literally one of the best. As stated, there's a lot of important details, right? So it's a great platform. Not only that, the interface is great, and they're literally constantly adding new tokens, all right? So I'm going to highly recommend you guys go check this out, dive down into it as stated, and do this, all right? Just sign up, get that deposit fee, right, as well, or deposit bonus, I guess I should say, not a fee, all right? Really good. So ladies and gentlemen, if you guys will, be sure to leave some comments down below and tell me, what did you think about that? Do you agree? If so, smash up that like button, and obviously smash up the subscribe button, especially if you'd like to continue watching videos like these. And not only that, you guys, just stick around for the next video. Let's go.